In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to get your boarding pass inside of Finnair. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your smartphone device, either Android or iPhone. Then from here, you'll need to go up to the App Store right here or Google Play Store. From here, you'll need to go to the search bar and click in Finnair like so, and then search for it. Then from here, the first one should be Finnair from Finnair PLC, and you'll just need to download it. And then from here, open it up. From here, it should bring something like this. And here, you can either log in or sign up for an account. Or if you don't want that, you can just add your journey number or booking number right here. As you can see here, you can add your booking reference and family name. From here, you'll need to click Find Booking. And then from here, you will get your boarding pass and you'll be able to check in directly from the app. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!